Ryan Sanchez, who had the triple there in the top of the frame. He's in center. The right fielder is Tyler Wilson, and then, of course, on the infield at third base, Juan Matthews, and then the shortstop, Roderick Arias, the top 10 prospect in the Twins system. Austin Green, the second baseman.
Day comment. Chourio takes off. This one skied to right field. That's going to be playable. Byron's got to get back to first base. Hustling back. Under it is Wilson. He makes the catch for the out. Chourio draws the throw, but he's back in safely. And Byron fully slid into second. First pitch to him misses down and in. Kick in the pitch home. Off the plate, 2-0. 2-0 on the way. Called strike at the knees. It's 2-1. The kick in the 2-1. Dots the corner to make it 2-2 on way this week. The kick and the pitch fouled away. It stays 2-2.
Some pregame.
2-2 on the way. Catches the inside corner for a called strike 3. That's 3 strikes. Kick and the pitch. This one crushed into right field, sending Wilson back at the track. Wilson makes the catch. Back-to-back deep flyouts. One to left, one to right. As Sabato
looking in the second. Slider fades away.
That works, so we doubled the in-game production crew we had here at home.
Fly ball drifting towards the third base dugout. Ruiz gives it a chase, and he's in. Ball and a strike here to Tyler Wilson. Now 1-2. Quest adds 1-2 pitch. That one off the hands and softly hit to Angel Del Rosario. He's got it for out number 2. Zephairos 1-0. Swung on and lofted sky high, shallow center field. Wind will push it towards right field, and it is now the right fielder Wilson making the grab. That one went all the way across the diamond for Rodriguez. Nothing going after a couple of base runners here in the 5th. 2-0 remains our score as we head to the 6th. 1-0 to Delro. Swung on and hit. Medium deep right field. Drifting towards the line is Wilson, and he's got it for the 3rd out. Muscles lead 2-0. Andrew Pauling back on the broadcast with the play-by-play when we return for the
0 for 6 with 3 Ks. As the first pitch is fisted off the hands, first base side. Sabato in a few steps makes the catch to retire Wilson. 1 pitch and 1 out for Xander Sechrist. An inning. The pitch to Carr is skied to right field. Wilson under it, and Peyton retired by his teammate Gus Hughes. We go to the 9th. The Muscles lead at 2-0. A chance for a win here at the home opener. 2 runs across in a 2-2 game now. There's a called strike. Dots the inside corner on Tyler. The kick and the pitch. Slider did not miss by much. Pancho Ruiz. The kick in the 1-1 pitch. That's away with a fastball. 2-1.
little bit showing.
The 2-1, that's away. Ruiz is able to corral it, but it goes. The kick and the 3-1 pitch, line to left field, and that's going to slice foul to run the payoff on the way home, skied foul and out of play. Yeah, 2 payoff on the way home again. Swing and a miss. Wilson down on strikes for out number 2. Payoff pitch on the way. Pena in the air, right center field. Drifting towards right. Wilson is in. He makes the catch for out number 2. Muscles down to their last hope. It'll be Yasser Mercedes coming up for Fort Myers.